this will do. Hello, my living whole friends. So it is Sunday afternoon. I have worked on work stuff today. I've worked on living whole stuff. I have gotten the new Apple Watch. I have done a lot of things, and so it's 4:24 to be exact, and I need something to eat, and I need a good bowl. And I have not gone to the grocery store in a hot minute, so I have a couple things in my fridge that I'm gonna make work. I'm not really feeling salad, but I need some greens, and so I'm gonna show you guys how I throw together just a quick roasted vegetable bowl. That's a good way for you to get in your greens without actually having to eat a salad. And we're going to top it with this sauce that I got from Trader Joe's. So yeah, I'm going to create a green bowl that is not a salad, that has plenty of protein, and I'm gonna show you guys how. So we're gonna use some asparagus. I've got edamame for protein, and this actually for 4 servings. It's 9 grams of protein per serving, which is actually pretty good. I've got rainbow cauliflower. I'm all about the potatoes, so this will be our carb source today. And I'm gonna use the rest of the squash. You guys know how much I love squash. And this sauce. And so this one will be our green bowl. And I'm going to roast our potatoes with this seasoning to give it a little bit of a punch. So yeah, so really that is 5 ingredients, 5 whole food ingredients and a sauce. So yeah, that is a really simple way to use some ingredients. These are some foods that I use while I'm on call, because I can also microwave these real quick. I don't have to wait on the oven. I don't have to wait on the roast time. However, I am going to roast the potatoes, and this will be my carb source like I talked about.
Let's make this.
So, super excited about this meal. Can you see me? I'm kind of looking a hot mess, but that's fine. That's been the last 2 videos, huh? But this is gonna be so good. I have the roasted potatoes, which the Everything Bagel Trader Joe's seasoning is like a game changer. It's so good. I love Everything Bagels, so that like sets it off. And then you have the edamame for protein and all the greens. and zucchini. And then you add in the colors from the cauliflower and the purple potatoes. It's like you're hitting all your phytonutrients. You're having plenty of fiber as well as protein from the edamame. And this is just a very green meal with protein and with a whole food carb source. And it's delicious and it's really comforting. I could really even forego the sauce and just have the roasted vegetables with all the flavors. It's so good, especially with the everything bagel seasoning by Trader Joe's. It's like a party going on next door. But I'm going to finish this meal. I've got 3 containers for meal prep this week. So this is just a very simple way to pair some foods and get your greens in, as well as your fiber, phytonutrients, and all the good stuff. So don't be afraid just to have whole vegetables. You're still getting plenty of protein if you choose sources like beans, legumes, edamame, different things like that. You're gonna meet your requirements, I think, is what most people are very worried about. Anyway, easy meal, very flavorful. Roasted vegetables, edamame for protein, potatoes for carbs, balance. It's really good. And that Trader Joe's sauce really packs in some flavor and adds a little bit of spice. It's really good. So very simple, very, very healthy, and I still have a ton of flavor. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.